can still travel away from us. At the full speed of light, just is rising away. I'm trying to stay, I'm not sure, but I'm wondering inside my head, not just a bit different from some of my friends. These answers that come into my mind are fitting, these stories delivered to me are written, and everyone shouts like they seem to like shouting. This noise in my head is incredibly loud. I just wish they stop. My dad and my mom and the telly and the stories would stop, but just once I'm